What up, Lowheat fam? Lowheat boys and girls, maybe even, or anyone in between. Today we got some Lowheat in, and I'm not going to use the perforation. I'm just going to go ahead and just do this because it might trigger some people. I'm a troll like that sometimes. Let's see what we got here. Let's see. All right, so these I hit on a sneakers draw. Something has changed. Let me know in the chat if you guys, in the comments, if you guys, I watch too much Twitch, if you guys have been hitting on more sneaker draws lately. I've said this 3.5, 4 years without hitting a draw, and now I've hit on, I think, 3 in the last 3 months. So something has changed with the app. They've augmented the algorithm, got rid of some bot accounts, redundant accounts, I don't know, but I hit these on a sneaker draw. What did I hit? Also, while you're commenting, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? That'd be I would very much appreciate that. Showing some support to the little guy. I do not have thousands of subscribers like some other shoe review people, so your help would be most appreciated. And yeah. So today we have the women's, that's for the W, Nike Dunk Low SE, I think special edition, correct me if I'm wrong, and we got it in the white, green glow Sunset Pulse. The last dunks I reviewed, women's dunks that I reviewed, go check that video out that I unboxed, also were sunset, or kind of dubbed the Sunset Pulse. So interesting. So let's see here. Ta-da! Look at those. It is so far from the camera today. Look at those. Woo! These are spicy. Now, these might not be for everyone. I get that. And, they're definitely, got some feminine vibes to them, but that's all right. I dig these. Now, these I got in my lady's size. She doesn't know I hit on these. I kept it a secret, and I'll be giving these to her at some point in the future. Her birthday's in the springtime, so maybe right around then, so she can wear them for Easter. But in hand, these are pretty dope. I gotta say. Look at the speckled outsole. That's a vibe. I like the colors. Again, obviously, these are women's colors, but it's 2021. Anyone can like these, and I'm liking the kind of the color blocking on these. The pastels. It's got that smooth leather, and we got different color lace tips right there. So that's cool. Let's check out the other one. Now, I will say right off the bat that these are affordable. I think I've discussed it in like the last women's Nike Dunks video I did an unboxing of. Again, go check that one out. That's the Sunset Pulse ones. They're little shiny foil color ones. Those are pretty cool. But I talk about in that one kind of the saturation of the dunk market and the decrease in pricing and the secondary market of those, and thoughts on that. So I think we finally kind of hit a point where just not every single dunk isn't $200, $300 plus. In that video I talk about how maybe it's just these wild color dunks. They've come out with a lot of multicolor general release dunks lately, and just people maybe aren't feeling those as much. They look a little bit more Foot Locker-y, a little bit more easily accessible, and they're not collaboration. So maybe that's part of it. That is, but in the video I just posted on the Kentucky Dunk highs, those Kentucky dunks, those are kind of hype, and they're under 200 also. So I think it's just across the board. The Magic Mushroom dunks that I unboxed, check out that unboxing video. Those aren't crazy. Those aren't above 500. Granted, Stingwater isn't a huge brand collaboration, but back a year ago, I would have said those would have gone for over 500. Quick to bring it back to the shoes here. Slightly different colors on each shoe. See, the heels are different. The outsoles are the same, but different lace tips on each one. That's cool. Might go, ladies, I'm not one to get a manicure or my nails painted, but you could really pull a fit off getting your nails done same color as these. That would be a very springtime summery vibe. You got different laced tongue tabs there, different colors, and different color toe boxes. So just all around same colors, but just in different blocking schemes. Nike's in, what is that, black, brown? I can't quite tell. And I'm not colorblind, but I just can't tell in this lighting. Looks like a super dark brown to me. Yeah, I think it's actually brown. So the insole you can see is brown. I think it's that same color. So interesting. Let me know how you guys are feeling on dunks lately. The fact that the kind of saturation, are they less desirable to you or no? They're still desirable, it's just now the prices are cheaper because there's so many of them and people have different choices. And then the next thing I want to hear from you are what your favorite Easter dunks. And all of you who are not Christians and celebrate Easter, that's fine. I don't really either. But, you know, I would say springtime, Easter holiday dunks, even though you might not be celebrate that holiday. What are your favorite Easter shoes? Mine are, I'm wearing them, the Spectrum Dunk Highs. I freaking love these things. Look at those. These, I think, are some of the most fire Dunk Highs. I missed out on retail on these, so I had to buy these aftermarket on StockX or Goat. I forget where I bought them. I apologize. It's not like they're going to sponsor me anyway. But I got these on one of those sites for a little over 200, so nothing terrible. And I think these are the shit. These are so fire. Also, similar thing where the same colors on each one, but different blocking. I don't know. I know pretty much all of the Easter Nike sneakers in existence for the most part, and I don't think any top these. So come at me in the comments if you disagree. That's fine, but you're not going to change my opinion. I think these things are so clean. They're like soft suede, and these colors, I just think can't beat them. These though, these are pretty cool. These are dope. So if ladies or guys who can fit these, if you've been looking for an affordable pair of dunks, and you want, you know, some color, you're into brighter colors like myself, these might be it. These are all, I think, under 200. Not bad. Retail on these was, what was it, 110. 110. And you can get these. Maybe fees and shipping and stuff, taxes might put you over on 200 certain sizes, but in general, these are affordable. Not, again, everyone's definition of affordable is different. I get it, but my point is these are not double, triple retail, quadruple. So good option for yourself, maybe a gift. We're kind of already past spring. We're definitely into summer, but you know, if you're thinking about these for summer or having a sweet pair for next spring, these might be it. So give me a subscribe. That would be appreciated. Check out my other videos, unboxing videos. I've done some, if there's any ladies watching, I've done some different unboxing videos of women's sneakers. Go check those out. And yeah, I'd appreciate it. Some more videos coming soon. So yeah, definitely subscribe.